seriously, I am not kidding. There are pets which do human spells, your wizard spells. You have to watch this video to find out right now.
Catch 'em all.
So what's up everybody, it's ProdigyMath Pirate right here, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to get pets that do zero, or pets that do wizard spells, like Zero, Powerbeam, and stuff like that. I know, right? That's so cool. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to get pets that do that. This is not EPICS. I know Ruma, I think Eclipse does it too, but these pets are not EPICS, seriously. And they're only for members, sadly. So you would actually used to get them for Dyno Dig Oasis, but you can't. Wait, what? Let's go to Dyno Dig Oasis by clicking on the map and going there. Duh, that's how you go there. Dyno Dig Oasis. I call it Dyno Dig Oasis. Okay. So there are no more missions where you could get them. So all you have to do now is you just have to simply go to the shop. And then you have to buy these pets from level 1. There's nothing else you can do. So let me tell you the pets that do zero, from the best from the most to the least. So the only pets that actually do zero or power beam are the Pterox, the Pterotatel, and the Pterodol and the Pterosaur. So you need to buy, this one costs 20,000 coins, and I'll explain that why later. This one is super rare, that's why it's yellow. That's the only super rare pet in Prodigy. Oh, it's ultra rare. These two are kind of rare. So look, let's look at Pterox. So Pterox is the evolved version of this, but if you evolve this to a Pterox, it will still have the same spells, if you guys didn't know. So what you have to do is you actually have to buy it from like this. So a Pterox is actually kind of better. It words zero and then shock spear. So if you buy this one, it will word zeros and shock spear. But if you buy the Pterotail, it will only word storms coming and then power beam only, which is not good. So that's why these guys are rated purple. That's why their power is actually rated B. Okay, so guys, those are not the best pets. So there is actually one more pet which is actually really good, and his name is Pterosaur. So let's go to the Prodigy Math game wiki. So the thing is, the only Pterosaur only words zero. It does not word anything else, unlike the Pterox, like which slowly worded up, like batter up, magic shot. It only words zero, and then ice spells, and then fire spells, which is really good, and that's why its power is A+. So apparently this guy is 20,000 coins, and I can see why. But in my opinion, it's not the most powerful pet in the Prodigy, because it doesn't make my standards. But yeah, guys, those are the 3 pets and how you get those are the 3 pets in Prodigy which do wizard or human spells. Beta W for your future. They're called Astral Spells. So yeah. So remember, they're only level 1. And yeah, so if you guys did enjoy that video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. If you guys haven't checked out my channel, make sure to smash that subscribe button. And I will see you all next time in another tutorial or another different kind of video.